So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna make a review of the new product that I just bought. That is a microwave of Samsung. It just got delivered yesterday by Flipkart, and the delivery was pretty fast. It took around 2 to 3 days to deliver at my location. So anyway, the microwave is Samsung. It's a solo microwave. That means only microwave mode is here and no other mode, that is convection grill, is there. Here it is written grill method. So the meaning of this image is that you get this jolly with the microwave that has the grill technology, but it doesn't have. It is only a solo microwave and only 800 watt. So in terms of power saving, it is also pretty good, and the some features are written here. There is antibacterial ceramic coating, scratch resistant, easy to clean. So we are gonna see that while we open the box. And let me show you the product description in detail. It is the written name of the commodity, microwave oven. It is of 23 liter, and you can note the model number here. And the MRP is 6,400, and though I bought it for around 5,400 from Flipkart, so I think it is a pretty good deal. And the dimension you can note here, it is 48 centimeter. That means a little bit over 1.5 feet, and the width and the height. So now let me show you the box and give you a 360-degree tour. Here the invoice is attached here, and also some code number to verify to register the product online. Yeah, so overall the packing is very neat and nice. So now I'm gonna open it. Okay, so now I'm gonna open the box. So the microwave plate is placed at the very top. I don't know whether this is a good idea because there is no protection over this glass plate, and I think I just touched the plate while cutting the upper part of the box. So my knife just touched here. So I don't know whether it is a good idea to place the plate on top. So but at least give some protection over here, over the plate. Give some thermocol sheets or something like that. So anyway, I'm gonna lift this part. I have to be very careful. Okay, so let me take that plate first and keep it aside. Yeah, so here is the main product. So overall I would say it is a decent packaging, not very nice. And again, this is the front part of the microwave, and there should be some sort of protection here because it is a glass part and it can be easily broken if something hit the box from outside. And the company should seriously think about that while packaging. And it is the back side. Again, there is no protection here on the side also. So only protection is at the bottom and at the top. Nothing else. So now I'm gonna lift the microwave and take it out of the box. Okay, so now I have set the microwave and I have connected it to that power source. So you can see that upon switching a clock is displayed here, and I have to set the time, I guess. And this is the inside part of the microwave, and you can see the light here, and the inner part has a ceramic coating, and it is good because the food particle will not stick to the wall. It will just slip up that ceramic coating. So the build quality in the inner part is pretty good, that I can say. And this glass is very dark and you can hardly see anything inside, because the wattage of the light is not very great as well. So that is I think the company should have been thought of. And here are the modes that you can see. Here is for vegetable, grain, poultry and fish. And here you can I think customize some Indian recipe 1, recipe 2. And here is for power defrost, and this is for microwave. I don't know what this 2 does actually. I will have to go through and see the manual. And this knob is for increasing or decreasing the wattage of the microwave or the cooking time. And this is the start button, and this is the stop button. So yeah, that's all. And you can see a 360-degree view. But the quality of the body, I don't think this is very rugged. You can easily get an idea about the thickness of the sheets, and by hearing the hollow sound. So yeah. And here's some list of recipes and that you can make in this microwave, I guess. There is a whole lot of things and that we can make in the, this is the veggie sections, and this is the non-veggie sections. And this is Indian recipe 1, Indian recipe 2, India's best. I don't know what this number means. I'll have to again go through the manual and check everything. And for nutrition, the number is 15, for brunch 13, cafeteria 10. I have no idea what this number means. So yeah, this video is giving you a fair bit of idea about this microwave. This is Samsung 23-liter solo microwave that I have just bought, and I think that it will help you to make your decision. So if you are thinking about buying this microwave, you can go for it.